Have you ever wondered if the food you're eating might be silently damaging your brain? With so many options on the shelves, it's hard to know what's safe and what's not. We often think about how the food we eat affects our heart or our weight, but they also have a big impact on our brain. Today, we're uncovering the truth about 7 poisonous foods that can kill your brain. Stick around, because the last one will shock you. Let's start with our first brain-damaging culprit. Think artificial sweeteners are a safe bet? Think again. Aspartame, a common ingredient in many low-calorie sweeteners, has been linked to headaches, mood disorders, and even cognitive decline. Artificial sweeteners can also disrupt the balance of gut bacteria, which play a crucial role in overall health, including brain health. Emerging research suggests that an imbalanced gut microbiome can contribute to neuroinflammation, which is inflammation of the brain and spinal cord, potentially leading to mood disorders and cognitive impairments. In addition, some studies have shown that long-term consumption of artificial sweeteners can alter the brain's response to sweetness, leading to increased cravings for sugary foods and contributing to unhealthy eating patterns. Switching to natural sweeteners like honey or stevia can actually benefit your brain by providing antioxidants and reducing inflammation, supporting overall cognitive function. Now, let's move on to the next brain-damaging food: processed meats. The irresistible aroma of bacon sizzling in the pan. But did you know that processed meats contain nitrates and nitrites, which can form harmful compounds in your body? These compounds are linked to an increased risk of brain diseases like Alzheimer's. Moreover, the high sodium content in processed meats can lead to hypertension, which restricts blood flow to the brain and impairs cognitive functions over time. Additionally, processed meats are typically high in unhealthy fats, which can negatively affect brain health. Diets rich in saturated fats have been associated with reduced cognitive performance and a higher risk of developing dementia. These fats can lead to the buildup of plaques in the brain, interfering with the normal functioning of neurons and synapses. By reducing intake of processed meats and opting for fresh, lean meats, you can support better brain health, reduce inflammation, and maintain proper blood flow to your brain. On the other hand, choosing fresh, lean meats like chicken or turkey can provide your brain with essential nutrients like protein and B vitamins, which are crucial for energy production and neurotransmitter function. Next up are trans fats. You know those crispy potatoes that make your mouth water? They're often fried in oils loaded with trans fats, which can cause inflammation and increase the risk of brain disorders. Trans fats, commonly found in foods like margarine, baked goods such as cookies and pastries, and fried items like donuts and French fries, can have severe detrimental effects on brain health. These artificially hydrogenated fats are known to cause inflammation and damage the cells in your brain. Regular consumption of trans fats can lead to the buildup of amyloid plaques, a hallmark of Alzheimer's disease. This buildup disrupts communication between brain cells, leading to memory loss and cognitive decline. Moreover, trans fats can negatively impact your mood and mental health. Studies have shown that a diet high in trans fats can increase the risk of depression by affecting the balance of essential fatty acids and neurotransmitters in the brain. By avoiding foods high in trans fats and choosing healthier fats like those found in avocados, nuts, and olive oil, you can protect your brain from inflammation and support better cognitive function. Now, let's talk about a widely consumed food that can be detrimental to brain health: refined carbohydrates. These include foods like white bread, white rice, and pastries made with refined flour. While these carbohydrate-rich foods may be tasty and convenient, they can wreak havoc on your brain over time. Consuming high amounts of refined carbohydrates leads to rapid spikes in blood sugar levels, followed by crashes, which can impair cognitive function and contribute to mood swings and fatigue. Moreover, refined carbohydrates lack the essential nutrients and dietary fiber found in whole grains. This means that they provide little nutritional value and can leave your brain craving more sustenance. The lack of fiber also disrupts gut health, leading to imbalances in gut bacteria that can further exacerbate inflammation in the brain. Over time, this chronic inflammation can damage brain cells and increase the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Additionally, a diet high in refined carbohydrates has been linked to insulin resistance, a condition in which cells become less responsive to insulin, the hormone responsible for regulating blood sugar levels. Insulin resistance not only increases the risk of type 2 diabetes, but also interferes with brain function. Research suggests that insulin resistance may impair memory and learning processes and contribute to cognitive decline over time. By reducing consumption of refined carbohydrates and opting for whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and oats, you can support better brain health and overall cognitive function. Now, let's discuss excessive alcohol. Occasionally, enjoying a beer or glass of wine is acceptable, but do you know the dark side of excessive alcohol consumption? It can shrink brain volume and disrupt neurotransmitters. Alcohol acts as a neurotoxin, damaging brain cells and disrupting the balance of chemicals necessary for healthy brain function. The occasional drink is okay, but moderation is key. Excess alcohol can have severe negative effects on the brain. Chronic alcohol abuse can lead to significant structural and functional changes in the brain, including shrinkage of brain tissue and impairment of neurotransmitter function. These changes can result in cognitive deficits, memory loss, and difficulties with decision-making and impulse control. Moreover, excessive alcohol intake can disrupt the brain's delicate chemical balance, leading to imbalances in neurotransmitters such as serotonin and dopamine. These imbalances can contribute to mood disorders like depression and anxiety, as well as increase the risk of developing alcohol-induced dementia. Additionally, alcohol abuse can impair the brain's ability to form new memories and retrieve existing ones, leading to cognitive impairment and a decline in overall cognitive function over time. Next on our list are highly processed foods. Fast food might be convenient, but it's often packed with unhealthy fats, sugars, and additives. People who eat a lot of processed foods tend to do worse in tests that measure their reasoning abilities. Highly processed foods such as fast food burgers, fries, and sugary snacks are often packed with unhealthy fats, sugars, and additives that can have detrimental effects on brain health. These foods contribute to inflammation and oxidative stress in the brain, which can lead to cognitive decline and an increased risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Additionally, the high glycemic index of many processed foods can cause spikes and crashes in blood sugar levels, leading to mood swings, fatigue, and impaired cognitive function. Moreover, highly processed foods are typically low in essential nutrients like vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, which are necessary for proper brain function. Diets high in processed foods have been linked to poor cognitive performance, impaired memory, and difficulty concentrating. These foods also lack the dietary fiber found in whole, unprocessed foods, which is important for maintaining healthy gut bacteria and supporting overall brain health. By choosing whole, nutrient-rich foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins, you can provide your brain with the nutrients it needs to function optimally and reduce the risk of cognitive decline. What if that quick meal was slowly diminishing your mental sharpness? Focus on whole, unprocessed foods to keep your brain in top shape. Fresh fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds provide vital nutrients like vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support cognitive function and protect your brain from oxidative stress. Now let's talk about sugary drinks. If you want to keep your brain sharp as you get older, avoid very sweet drinks. Sugary drinks like soda and energy drinks might give you a quick boost, but they can wreak havoc on your brain over time. Sugary drinks such as soda, fruit-flavored beverages, and energy drinks are major contributors to excess sugar intake in the diet. Consuming these drinks regularly can lead to weight gain, insulin resistance, and an increased risk of type 2 diabetes, all of which have negative implications for brain health. High sugar consumption can cause inflammation in the brain, disrupting neuronal function and impairing cognitive processes like memory and learning. Additionally, sugary drinks provide empty calories and lack essential nutrients, depriving the brain of the fuel it needs to function optimally. Furthermore, frequent consumption of sugary drinks has been linked to an increased risk of mood disorders like depression and anxiety. The rapid spikes and crashes in blood sugar levels caused by these drinks can lead to fluctuations in mood and energy levels, affecting overall mental well-being. Additionally, the high fructose content in many sugary drinks has been shown to contribute to insulin resistance and metabolic dysfunction, which can further exacerbate brain-related issues. By opting for healthier alternatives like water, herbal tea, or natural fruit juices, you can protect your brain from the harmful effects of excess sugar consumption and support better overall cognitive function. Finally, let's delve into the harmful effects of artificial food additives, commonly found in processed and packaged foods consumed by many Americans. These additives include artificial colors, flavors, and preservatives, which are added to enhance the taste, appearance, and shelf life of foods. However, these additives can have detrimental effects on brain health. Furthermore, artificial flavors often contain synthetic chemicals that can trigger allergic reactions and cause inflammation in the brain. Monosodium glutamate, a common flavor enhancer, has been associated with headaches, migraines, and cognitive impairment in sensitive individuals. By minimizing consumption of processed foods containing artificial additives and opting for whole, natural foods, you can protect your brain from these harmful effects and support better cognitive function. Moreover, the combination of artificial additives with high levels of sugar and unhealthy fats in processed foods can create a toxic cocktail for the brain. These foods not only lack essential nutrients, but also contain harmful substances that can impair brain function and increase the risk of cognitive decline over time. Additionally, the addictive nature of these highly processed foods can lead to overconsumption and further exacerbate the negative impact on brain health. So there you have it, 7 foods that could be secretly sabotaging your brain health. As we navigate the aisles of our supermarkets and the choices on our plates, let us remember that the foods we consume not only shape our bodies, but also sculpt our minds. Just as we cherish our physical health, so too must we prioritize the well-being of our most vital organ, the brain. By arming ourselves with knowledge and making mindful choices, we have the power to safeguard our cognitive function, protect against neurodegenerative diseases, and nurture our mental acuity for years to come. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more health tips. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Your brain will thank you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.